I was inspired to become a teacher in the beginning from my dad. My dad is a educator of 28 years, I think, and then he was in administration for 10 years. And I watched his care and compassion for people, and that really inspired me. And then I started playing school with my neighborhood kids, and we ran a little school in our basement during the summer months. And I was 11, giving homework assignments and teaching little lessons. In the past 3 years, I've been teaching English language development, which is a very diverse population. I have students from Ukraine, from Afghanistan, from Syria, from Mexico, from Colombia, from Venezuela, from Chile, from all over the world. And these diverse perspectives all come in and have one thing in common. They want to be accepted and they want to be safe. And so when I look at those needs of our students, the very first thing of security and safety, that I know for me, my most important job is to make sure that my classroom is a safe space. Probably the most important qualities for a teacher to have, first of all, is compassion and empathy. Knowing our students, knowing what they're going through, knowing what challenges they're facing. We tend to look at a student and think, why aren't you working? Come on, let's get to work. And we don't know what they came from, what their home life was before, or even what cognitive dissonance is happening, why they're not understanding something. Maybe they're too shy to ask. And so having that compassion, that empathy, and some patience makes a big difference. I think connecting with our students and really getting to know them is the biggest thing, gives us the most bang for our buck. And it's also what brings the joy to teaching, is knowing our students. When we connect with our students, it's probably the reason I stay, because I have these connections with students, even through all the challenges of teaching.